So in this Yahoo Finance tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to view the largest market cap stocks here in Canada on Yahoo Finance. So once you have the Yahoo Finance app open up on your device at the bottom, where it says, Discover, between news and markets, press on Discover right here on the Discover tab. Go to the top left and press on Equity. Don't worry about right below it where it says the US stock market, simply just leave that as it is. Then go all the way to the bottom until there's this place where it says market value, largest market cap, and cover the equities. With the largest market cap, go ahead and press on that. Now by default, it actually does sort this by American stocks only. So if you wanted to change this, in this case, to Canada, and view the top Canadian largest market cap stocks, go to where it says region, press on that, go all the way to the bottom, and uncheck USA right here. So USA, as you can tell, is checked. Uncheck that. Scroll back to the top, press on Canada right here, then press on apply. And then there you go. You're now changing the 229 symbols to the region here in Canada. So it actually didn't look like it changed it, if I'm not mistaken. But what you can do is just scroll down a whole bunch of different stocks here. That you can tell just like this. Fairly straightforward. There's Canadian National Railway. There's Enbridge. If you keep scrolling down, there's Canadian Pacific. There's a whole bunch of different stuff. Bank of Montreal, whatever the case may be. These are the largest market cap stocks in Canada that you can now see here on Yahoo Finance. So fairly straightforward. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.